you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, Brighton. Brighton.
Okay. Yeah, so maybe we can share our progress so far. Since you are the two of you, so one of you can decide to go first and share the progress. Progress, challenges.
Hi, Brighton.
Hi.
Can I go first?
Yes, you can.
Unfortunately, I can't share my screen because I'm joining the meeting with my phone. All my devices are off. I have a blackout in my area. But
Oh, sorry.
I'm done designing my database. I'm trying to link it to the views, and then I can pull everything to my template. Yeah, that's my progress so far.
That's great. Any challenge apart from power?
Designing the database, coming up with the database content was somehow challenging.
Okay.
But I figured it out with based on what I wanted to appear on my website. Yeah.
That's fantastic. Awesome. Christopher? Christopher? Are you there? Christopher, if you're speaking, you're muted. Christopher? Okay. So let me assume he's going to rejoin and try. Okay, welcome back, Christopher. Maybe you can try speaking.
Thank you.
Okay. So maybe you can share your progress.
So, hello.
Yes. Yes.
So, my progress. as for now, I'm just on the move work on the blog section of the app. Yeah. But locally I have my setup running well. So I said that I started with the boilerplate of the Prata. So maybe I can share just the screen how it did. So I'll be working on the CSS, maybe part of it, and then as I continue with the blog section, and then also with the other section.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you able to share?
Okay, I'm not seeing.
Joanne, have you
Yes,
allowed?
let me share.
No. Okay.
No, I'm not. I can't. I'm not able to share.
Joanne, can you please help us by enabling sharing? Okay, I think you can now share. You're using Docker. Okay.
Yes.
So you've
If I can just. Yes.
you've been able to set up the cookie cutter, right?
Yes, I've been able to set it up. Yes.
Okay.
So actually, this is it. So there's the part of local environment. So yeah, this is like the home part. So I work on the CSS and the header.
If you're showing us the browser.
Yes, I'm showing the browser. Is it
Oh,
showing?
no, we can only see the editor.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
is it showing?
Yes.
Okay, so this is it.
Okay.
So this is the home page. So working on the header, and then so this is the sign up. So it comes with somehow inbuilt sign up. So just have to work with the CSS.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Did you?
it should work? I think.
Yeah. No. Did you collect your static? I think.
Static?
Did you run the collect static management command? If you're using cookie cutter, it should come with it should be WordPress. No, not WordPress, Bootstrap. If you use the Daniel cookie cutter,
Bootstrap.
yeah, it should have Bootstrap already, right? So I'll
Yes, we
suggest.
should have Bootstrap.
So I'll suggest. You see, I'll suggest running. Running the
Okay, let me share. You're seeing Medita.
yes.
So this the settings for the base. So
Okay.
the collect static should be here, isn't it? Or
Yeah. So I think so. Try run the Python manage.py collect static. I believe it's collect static
I thought,
on the terminal.
okay, let's see this.
There has to be space, yeah.
Collect static.
Yes. No, sorry. There isn't a hyphen. Okay, so it looks you also have.
That one.
You also, yeah. Okay, try run that. Okay, so you have errors on settings base line 6. The file that is already open up there, line 6. Go to line 6.
Environment.
Did you install all the requirements?
Yeah, I installed the base, the local. I'm running local environment, so I installed the
Install the
local
requirements
requirement.
because that environment
This one's here.
part is missing. Yeah, that's
So let me install the base ones.
no install with the local imports base, right? Open local.txt. Open the local.txt.
Yeah, it's import base.
Yeah, reads.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
So I
Scroll.
installed using this.
Now, okay, scroll down. I see if it's the environment is there. Go to beds. Django REST.
Django environment.
Yes, that one. Try just rerun the install. You're using pip or pen?
I was using, yeah, they're using pip.
Okay. So pip
Pip
installed.
for installation.
Yeah. So pip install. -R. Requirements. You have to do requirements first. It's a folder. It's within a folder.
Yeah.
Remove the slash. Remove the slash. Yeah. Then slash local. Has it finished?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now try run again. Try run the collect static. What happened? Okay, there's a database. The database URL.
Yeah.
Okay, so open the local.py. Open the local.py.
Local dots.
py. The settings. What database is it using?
I'm using Postgres, but maybe the problem which I think is that it starts to do with the envs, maybe the .env files. So like here, I in my
Have
.env, yes.
the first.
So in the continue.
Okay, did you define, is database defined in the local.py file?
Local dots.
py, the one is, yeah, the way the file already opened the editor. No,
the file already open in
the local.py file.
.py.
Yeah, the settings. Is the database defined somewhere? Is the database URL defined somewhere there? This
No, it's
caching,
not defined.
email, installed apps.
It's not
Okay,
defined.
so it means it's using the one in base, right?
Yeah, and in the base.
Okay, so it's using the environment. So just search Control F, it's easier. Okay, database. I'm seeing databases. Okay, so that this database you have
The environment file.
yeah, line 43, right?
Yes, because he is fetching it from the environment file.
Okay, so you need to define that. Is that database underscore URL defined the? Do you have a .env file, or have you already defined it in the virtual environment?
I was preferring to use .env.
Okay, is it? I don't see it. Did you delete it?
.env.
It's not there. So I think you have to define it again.
Okay, this one's in this. Yeah, isn't it?
This is interesting. I've never done this. Open the Postgres. So did that folder come with cookie cutter?
Yeah, this one came with cookie cutter. You have to choose the type of database you are using. So there was a time. There was a time. Hmm. Yeah, it comes with cookie cutter.
Okay, because um, I'm assuming it's supposed to be the last. Okay. .env. I thought it was just a .env file, not a folder. But okay. So okay, so there's the host, port, DB, username, and the password. Okay, so now what if you create a .env file in the root directory instead of the folder? You just create a file, .env file.
Okay.
.env, okay. And then, so the first one is the database in caps, database underscore URL. Okay, is equals to. Is there supposed to be spacing? We are defining variable name. Yeah. Okay, then in quotes. So we need to the path to that database, right?
The path to the database.
Yeah, that URL. What is it usually? Postgres plus something. Just give me a second. Python. It's Postgres plus something plus something. Yeah, so it's PostgreSQL plus add the QL.
Lowercase.
Yeah, lowercase plus psycopg2 psy copg2 full colon // the user. What's the name of the user?
Yeah. The name of the user.
Yeah.
So the user from
the user you assign this database, the database to. So I saw your that's .postgres file there.
I think what you can do, just run PSQL to know the user he's in.
Oh, okay. So because I thought you already defined.
Sorry.
I thought you already defined it that .postgres file. I see yeah, that one. Where's the user? V or whatever that. Yes. Copy that. Control C. Okay. Then full colon password. The password for that user. and then @. Just continue typing.
Plus.
At
I should
the
type.
@. Then the host name / then the database name. So what's the host name? Is the host name local? Is it supposed to be localhost?
Postgres or host name. Yeah, localhost. Or what do you mean by host name?
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be local.
Yeah. Then
/ database name.
this is Kilimo. Like that.
Okay, go run. We see if it actually works.
I should run the same command, collect static, or another.
The same one.
It's collect static.
Okay, so same problem, right?
Yeah.
So just copy what you have in that line. Where is your virtual environment?
Virtual environment.
Where is your
I'm
virtual
in a virtual
environment?
environment.
Where is it?
Kilimo. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, where is it?
Just a minute. Should be this one, isn't it? So,
No. That's the folder. That's the project name, right?
project.
That's the project name. Okay. What did
So
you use?
these are the to create the
What-
virtual environment. Aconda.
I've not used Conda. Okay. I don't use Conda.
If you do this, so these are the virtual environment. Kilimo, this one.
Okay. So what you can try to do is type export space export space, and then copy that one line, that database URL, that whole line in the editor.
For the environment, not for
in the editor. Yeah. Copy it and paste it after that.
that way.
Now run the management file command.
Migrate, okay.
The same, collect static, the same one. Okay, what is use Docker? Do you have to use Docker? Because that it's
Yes.
Do you have to use Docker?
Yes. I'm not getting you, sir. Maybe you can repeat. That's a question.
Just bear with him a little bit. May drop kidogo. He's coming back. But great progress.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello, welcome
Hello.
back.
Do you have to use Docker?
No. I was just trying.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. But I just decided to do that. Maybe itanisaidia hapo mbele.
Yeah, because I don't think you have to do it now, because that adds a lot of complexity itself. Okay, so that error is saying, so just go to line 52 and comment it out for now.
Okay, sasa.
You can actually click on that link. It's a link, right? But it's okay. Is it actually a link? That's the TXT. The error is in that's line 52. You see where it's written line 52?
Let me check.
It's the local.py, not settings.
Okay.
There is settings. Click on that. Have you clicked?
Yes.
Okay. Just comment that whole if environment from, yeah. Just comment it out. Okay, save. Go run the static again. So where, just scroll up, just go up. So it means there's a problem with our database, the database we're using. Go to the base.py file, base.py file, search, it's easy if it's already there.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, go to the isn't available database backend.
Or database.backend.
Okay, just go back, rewrite the export. Remember that export, just move your arrow up.
That one.
Yes, try remove the, I don't know if it will work. Try remove the plus PsychoPG2. It's combining, it's completing all that. Okay, hit enter. Okay, try run the collect static. Okay, run your server. Oh, there was already a process, a bash. There's already something, your terminal. Go to those terminals, those the other one. Okay, so go refresh. So you stopped it. You're using Docker. Okay.
I'm just
that will bring up an error because we remember we commented.
I'm stopping it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm stopping it.
Just do the Python manage.py run server. Okay, you have to either deactivate and activate the environment.
I deactivate it.
Because it's saying database URL not found. Well, we already created that environment variable. Have you activated the environment?
The environment, the one I'm using.
You have to deactivate. Yes, you have to deactivate and activate it again. Try that.
Okay.
Okay, what is base?
No, base just the default environment, but I'm going back to the environment that we're using.
Where? That doesn't create confusions.
It does not.
Okay.
This, yeah.
Now run the server. See the confusion maybe. Okay, just go back to the other terminal. Remember the other terminal?
Yeah, I remember it.
Open that other terminal and see.
This one.
Run the server there. So what's the error? You've gone too far.
Oh, no more 6. This one.
Okay, which version of Django are you using?
It should be.
Check your base.txt file.
Django 3.18. This one.
Okay. So why is it saying 6 not? Try pip install 6. Have you tried checking your browser if you can see anything?
Actually, okay, it's not running now. The browser is not running now. It's it.
Okay. Okay, pip install. Try pip install Django -crispy crispy-forms.
Crispy. Okay.
Pip install Django -crispy-forms. So who else is here? Macau left. Okay. So these are the challenges of using a Kicata. So many configurations. So try run again. Okay. You've gone too far. The error is pointing to Django template backend.
Django.py.
You don't just scroll slowly in the error. Slowly, yeah. Just go up slowly. Okay. Import 6. Yeah. So that's a Django error. Okay. So 6 was dropped. 6 was dropped in Django 3. So I'm wondering why we're getting this error. If you're using Django 3 point, okay, so just confirm which Django you're using. Okay, let's just confirm which Django you're using. You remember how Rose was confirming how she was, which Django she was using?
She was going to Python.
She was opening the Python interpreter, import Django, then Django underscore passion underscore.
Like that.
Yeah, you haven't finished. Underscore. Yeah.
Then
There's an underscore, I think. Yeah, try that. No, I think it's supposed to be underscore. I don't think there's those. Just hit enter.
3.1.
It's not going to. So I'm curious, why did you decide to use the cookie cutter?
Oh, yeah, I've read a bit of Two Scoops of Django and the books by this guy. So I was just interested if I'm building just to try if I can build, yeah, maybe like in a production environment. So there's another one which I've tried, but I saw it's working. But I wasn't using Docker, but I was still passing through the two ways. I check the documentation and then improve. Maybe purpose of using Docker for collaboration. Maybe at time when I need assistance, maybe somebody can still run the same thing in his computer and then help me. Yeah, maybe with the with the two parts I'll be doing the class sharing session, which involve videos and podcasts, so things like that. But I really decide if I can just do as it is practical in the field.
So try pip install Django -utils -6.
Install
Django -utils -6.
Maybe I'll just check it out and then I'll reach you out.
Sorry.
I'll continue checking it out in the course of the day and then I'll reach you out.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So it's great to use the cookie cutter and all those tools, but if you're a beginner, it can be very overwhelming. So I hope it won't kind of discourage you or slow you down. Okay. Rose, do you have any question? Comment?
Good progress, Christoph. And don't feel like you're like panicking. You just take it normal. Ukipanic saa mimi nitafanya nini jameni wa? Okay, good progress otherwise. Thank you.
Thank
Awesome.
you, Rose.
Awesome. So thank you for sharing and joining. So hopefully we can solve that problem. Joan, any thing?
Oh, thank you for the informative session, Brighton. I like the morale, Christopher and Rose. Just keep it up. I'm also on the path of learning learning Python, and I wish you guys all the best as you continue. Keep with the consistency. As for airtime, we've noted down your name. You're the ones who are consistent. That is the two of you. We'll make sure that hopefully at the end of the week, you will have something to sustain you. But thank you so much, Brighton.
Awesome. Thank you very much. So please, if you have a problem, there's the WhatsApp group. Sasa, Christoph.
School sign.
Okay. Yeah. So thank you very much, everyone. Stay safe. Huh?
You too. Stay safe. Bye.